again, another scenario in here. We would like not to extract a certain part of the text, but we would like to replace one text by another text. So in our case, for example, there's always a German word for street, Straße, and we would like to take the abbreviation STR with a dot behind it and replace it with in here. So here we have basically two functions we can go for, and the one which is the more easy to use in our case is substitute. So you see it in here. So what we are going to have as a first parameter is our text. Then we define our to be replaced text, which is Straße in here. And the third parameter is then str1. That's what we would like to get in if we find Straße. We could say instance number, so if you look for the first or the second or whatever instance of Straße, in our case it's not required. So you can see in here, Bergstraße has become Berg's str, and that's fine. And it works for each and everything. There is another function which is called replace, but this is a little bit more tricky to use. So again, the first thing is our text to enter. That's the first parameter. However, now we are looking for a starting number, the position where some text should be replaced, how many characters should be replaced, and then the new text. So we're not looking for a certain text, but we look for positions and text length. So let's say we would like to replace a 24 by a 35. So the 24 starts at position 3, is 2 characters long, and should now be replaced by a 35. So it works fine, but you can see the 2024 has been aligned to the right because it's a number. As we have used the replace function, we have now a text, it's aligned to the left. If you move it down, it works fine. If you change the text, however, in here, we add a number, you can see it's no longer the 24 which is replaced, but it's still position 3 and 4 which are replaced by 3 and 5. So we have not maybe what we are looking for.